So we're having a big rainstorm here today, and as you can tell, maybe our parking lot is about 2 or 3 inches deep in water. As you can see from my Jeep here on the tires, maybe I'll use that as a reference. It's very deep here. And we always have trouble with this drain over here. It's going down somewhat. You can see a little bit of a whirlpool here, but it's nowhere near where it should be working. So bear with me, guys. I'm gonna try to break it loose. There she goes. It's taking on a lot of water. And these leaves get it clogged up. Oh, let's see if we can get it broke loose again better. There she goes. You can see how deep the water is in the parking lot. All right, let me get the Oh, there she goes. Look at that water flowing, boy. It's going down there now. Yep, it'll have this parking lot drained in no time. You can see it pulling it. Alright guys, hit the like and subscribe. Scott McCook 8484. Please hit the like button and the subscribe and the notification, guys. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. It's getting it drained down. Oh yeah, the parking lot is really drained. It don't take it long. As you can see earlier when I started the video, the difference in the depth of the tires. So when we have clients that are coming to get picked up and leave here, we can't have this parking lot full of water. And this drain runs all the way down back here. I'd say maybe 150, maybe 200 yards, I don't know. Back there to a retention pond. Maybe I need to set a camera up back there to video the water coming out and going into the pond. But again, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the like and the notification. Thank you so much.